Now, let me tell you of a great way in which you can write 4 different intros for any given answer. Use the SCAN method. The SCAN method is a very simple way in which you can write 4 different kinds of introductions to any given answer. SCAN क्या है? S is your stat or data-based intro. C is your context. यहाँ पे आप context या definition के बारे में बात कर सकते हैं. A is your anecdote. Anecdote का क्या मतलब है कि भाई अभी recently किसी का आपने कोट पढ़ा है या कोई स्पीच आई थी जो आपने मेंशन कर दी यहाँ पे. Finally, there is news based. Right, some event happened XYZ over here and therefore you have written that in the intro. Now let's look at this with an example. This is a question from Mains 2025 GS2. Comment on the need of administrative tribunals as compared to the court system. Assess the impact of the recent tribunal reforms through rationalization of tribunals made in 2021. तो अगर मैं stat से शुरू करूँ, I can simply mention Article 323A. Right, this is my administrative tribunals का specific article within the constitution itself. Second, if I have to write a context or definition based intro, I can define what is an administrative tribunal. These are bodies set up by the Constitution of India which are aimed at lightening the load of the judicial system within the country. Then अगर मुझे anecdote based कोई intro यहाँ पे करनी है तो I can talk even about rationalization of tribunals made in 2021. I can talk about कि अच्छा why was this done if I remember something specific in this case. Most likely anecdote वाला जो हमारा section है, this is very useful in GS4 क्योंकि वहाँ पे I can reply to court based questions with another quote of mine and therefore anecdote वहाँ पे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी रह जाता है. Finally, news कि अगर आपको rationalization के बारे में exact कुछ provisions याद हैं जो any which way you'll have to write in the second half of the answer, तो even those can serve as a great intro to this question. So using the SCAN method, you can find out great intros for any given answer in your mains preparation. All the best.